Our planet Earth is a swirling blue and green oasis in the vastness of space. It's home to an incredible diversity of life, from the smallest insects to the largest whales. But have you ever wondered how this amazing planet came to be? Billions of years ago, our solar system was just a swirling cloud of dust and gas. Gravity, the invisible force that pulls things together, gradually pulled this material into clumps. One of these clumps became our sun, and the leftover material formed a swirling disk around it. Within this disk, tiny particles of dust and ice began to collide and stick together. Over millions of years, these collisions created larger and larger objects, eventually forming the planets we know today, including our own Earth. The early Earth was a very different place than it is today. It was a hot, molten ball of rock, constantly bombarded by asteroids and comets. Over time, however, the Earth cooled and solidified, forming the planet we know and love. Like an onion, Earth is made up of different layers, each with its unique properties. At the heart of our planet lies the core, an incredibly hot and dense sphere of iron and nickel. The core is divided into two parts, a solid inner core and a liquid outer core. Surrounding the core is the mantle, a thick layer of hot, dense rock. The mantle is constantly moving and churning, much like a pot of boiling water. This movement is driven by heat from the Earth's core. The outermost layer of Earth is the crust, a thin, rocky shell that we live on. The crust is broken into several large pieces called tectonic plates, which fit together like a jigsaw puzzle. These plates are in constant motion, albeit very slow, moving and grinding against each other over millions of years. Earth is enveloped in a protective layer of gas called the atmosphere. This blanket of air is essential for life on Earth, providing us with the air we breathe and shielding us from harmful radiation from the sun. The atmosphere is made up of several layers, each with its own unique characteristics. The layer closest to Earth is the troposphere, where most of our weather occurs. Above the troposphere lies the stratosphere, home to the ozone layer, which protects us from harmful ultraviolet radiation. Beyond the stratosphere are the mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere, which gradually fade into the vacuum of space. Each layer of the atmosphere plays a vital role in regulating Earth's temperature and protecting us from the harsh conditions of space. From space, Earth appears as a vibrant blue marble, a testament to the vast oceans that cover over 70% of its surface. These oceans are home to a staggering array of life, from microscopic plankton to giant squid. They play a critical role in regulating Earth's climate and weather patterns. The remaining 30% of Earth's surface is covered by land, forming the continents and islands we call home. These land masses are diverse, ranging from towering mountain ranges to vast deserts and lush rainforests. These land masses are shaped by a variety of geological processes, including the movement of tectonic plates, erosion by wind and water, and volcanic activity. The interplay of land and water creates a dynamic and ever-changing environment that supports a wide variety of life. Section 5. The Web of Life. Earth is teeming with life, from the highest mountains to the deepest ocean trenches. This incredible variety of living organisms, from bacteria and fungi to plants and animals, is known as biodiversity. Each species plays a unique role in the intricate web of life, interacting with other species and the environment in complex ways. Ecosystems are communities of living organisms and their physical environment, all interconnected and interdependent. These ecosystems can be as small as a pond or as large as an entire forest. Within each ecosystem, energy flows from one organism to another through food chains and food webs. Biodiversity is essential for the health of our planet. It provides us with food, clean air and water, and countless other benefits. However, human activities such as deforestation and pollution are threatening the delicate balance of many ecosystems and leading to a decline in biodiversity. Section 6. Earth's restless spirit, mountains, volcanoes and earthquakes. Our planet is a dynamic and ever-changing place, shaped by powerful forces deep within its core. The Earth's crust, broken into tectonic plates, is constantly on the move, albeit very slowly. These movements create some of Earth's most dramatic geological features, including towering mountain ranges, erupting volcanoes, and trembling earthquakes. When tectonic plates collide, they can buckle and fold, pushing up the Earth's crust to form majestic mountains like the Himalayas. These collisions can also cause earthquakes, shaking the ground and sometimes causing widespread destruction. Volcanoes are another spectacular manifestation of Earth's inner heat. These fiery mountains are formed when molten rock called magma rises from the Earth's mantle and erupts onto the surface. Volcanic eruptions can be both destructive and creative, shaping the landscape and giving birth to new land. Section 7. Humans, Earth's guests and guardians. Humans are relative newcomers to Earth, yet our impact on the planet has been profound. From the moment our ancestors first learned to control fire, we have been shaping the environment to meet our needs. While this ingenuity has allowed us to thrive, it has also come at a cost. Our reliance on fossil fuels has led to increased greenhouse gas emissions, contributing to climate change, deforestation, pollution, and overfishing are degrading ecosystems and threatening biodiversity. The choices we make today will determine the fate of our planet for generations to come. It is our responsibility to protect and preserve Earth, not just for ourselves, but for all life that shares this planet. By understanding our impact and making sustainable choices, we can become better stewards of our planet and ensure a healthy future for all. Section 8. Earth's uncertain future. The Earth, our home, faces an uncertain future. Climate change, driven by human activities, is already having a profound impact on our planet. Global temperatures are rising, leading to more extreme weather events, melting glaciers, and rising sea levels. The consequences of these changes are far-reaching, threatening human health, food security, and the delicate balance of ecosystems worldwide. The future of our planet depends on our ability to address this challenge and transition to a more sustainable way of life. There is still time to act, but the window of opportunity is closing. We must reduce our reliance on fossil fuels, invest in renewable energy sources, and adopt sustainable practices in all aspects of our lives. The choices we make today will determine the fate of Earth for generations to come. Section 9. Our precious planet. Earth is a precious and unique planet, a blue oasis teeming with life in the vastness of space. From the snow-capped peaks of the Himalayas to the depths of the Mariana Trench, our planet is full of wonder and beauty. It's a place where life has flourished for billions of years, evolving into an astounding array of forms. The air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, all come from this remarkable planet. Earth provides everything we need to survive and thrive. It's a gift, a privilege to share this planet with such a diversity of life. We must remember that Earth is not ours to plunder and exploit. It's a shared inheritance, a responsibility passed down through generations. We must learn to live in harmony with nature, respecting the delicate balance of ecosystems and preserving the planet for future generations. Section 10. A call to action. The future of our planet rests in our hands. We are the first generation to fully grasp the scale of the environmental challenges we face, and we are the last generation with the chance to address them effectively. The time for complacency is over. The time for action is now. Each one of us can make a difference. We can reduce our carbon footprint by using energy more efficiently, choosing sustainable transportation, and supporting businesses committed to environmental responsibility. We can protect biodiversity by supporting conservation efforts and making conscious choices about the products we consume. We can all be advocates for change, raising awareness about environmental issues and encouraging others to join us in our efforts. Together, we can create a global movement for a healthier, more sustainable planet. The future of Earth depends on it. Let's make sure we leave behind a legacy of stewardship and care for this precious planet.